Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Path of the Secret of Olókun, Patakin. There was once a man who lived with his wife and their 3 children. He survived by hunting, but for several days he had gone out and caught nothing. Every day he would enter deep into the forest, but still came back empty-handed. One day, while wandering through the woods, he encountered a man who, seeing his desperate state, approached and asked what was wrong. The hunter explained his problems, and the man said to him, "Let's help you. Take this and place it in your house somewhere no one can see or touch it." The hunter did as he was told. He returned home with this secret and warned his wife that neither she, their children, nor anyone else could see or touch it. From that moment on, the man's luck began to change. The hunt became abundant. Every day there was food and money. The hunter would go out daily to the forest, and one day his wife, growing suspicious, stayed awake and sent one of their sons to see what it was that the father had been guarding so closely. The children climbed up and uncovered the secret, and as soon as they looked at it, they fell dead to the ground. When the mother saw what had happened, she ran out into the street crying, just as her husband was returning home. She told him everything that had occurred and admitted it was her fault. The man then remembered what the stranger had told him, that he was Olókun, and that if any problem ever arose, he should present his grievances and offer something to resolve the situation. The hunter had an aya oro, a sacred fish, specifically a guabina, in his bag. Approaching the secret, he uncovered it and said, "I did not bring this here to kill my children. On the contrary, it was for their well-being, for my wife's, and for mine. Here, I offer you this aya oro so that you may bring them back to life." The hunter placed the aya oro upon Olókun, and the 3 children were resurrected. In gratitude, he took the aya oro back to the place where he had caught it. Note: in this ibao, the aya oro, guabina fish, must never be missing.